Okay, so this is one of the orders. I got some magnetic bookmarks. I got 2 of them. Oh, I love these. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to keep hitting the camera. But, oh, sorry. These are from Stray Kids. And this is from BTS. I'm horrible at this, like, unstuffing. I mean, this not unstuffing, this unboxing. So this is the exciting thing. So I got 3 of her K-pop sticker savings. So what these are is, hold on, I'll open it and I can show you. I got one, I think I got one of each denomination for each one. I want to say that's what I got. So what they are is $100 savings challenge, $250 and $1,000. And instead of coloring it in, it comes with like these stickers. Oh, these are going to be so much fun to do. Okay. And then I got BTS. And this is to save up for their concert for next year. It's the same thing. I got 100, 250, and 1,000. And I also got 3 of their little stickers. And then I got ATs. And then I also got 3 stickers. And then I got 100, 250, and 1,000. But I love everything that I got. She always goes above and beyond on her packaging and everything she does. Thank you so much. You are honestly one of my favorite YouTubers, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm excited to start using some of these. And once my last package comes in, then I will do a K-pop binder walkthrough, and then I'll start doing some of the challenges in there. Until next time, bye.